Our HTML page now has some content, but it is not organized in a structured or meaningful way. HTML5 introduced semantic HTML tags to logically create structure in a web page. This helps the web coder in the browser know what the page is about. It also helps screen readers and search engines. The first semantic tag we're going to use inside the body tag is the header tag. Inside the header tag, type nav. Inside the nav tag, type UL for an unordered list, and then add list items. Inside each list item, add a link tag. Add the hyperlink reference path to each web page. Each of the link tags needs anchor text so it will be shown in the browser. Remember to close all the HTML tags. Press Command-S or Control-S to save. Start the Atom Live server to see the changes. Let's make some more semantic tags. Another useful semantic tag is the section tag. Remember that HTML tags are like the buns of a hamburger. I need to bring down the closing section tag below the content. The content is sandwiched between the opening and closing tags. Make another section around the images. Then I will save the changes. Notice nothing has changed. The section tags and all other semantic tags are simply containers. The generic HTML container is the div tag. Usually divs and semantic tags have classes for use with CSS styling. We will talk about CSS styles in future videos. Remember, divs are just containers. This div goes from the opening tag with a blue line to the closing tag with a blue line. At the bottom, sometimes we will have a footer. And inside the footer, we could simply have a paragraph. Close the footer tag. We will learn more semantic HTML tags in future videos.